I came here in '95 for my residency, and I fell in love with San Antonio. I fell in love with the people, and I wanted to stay and help in what I do best, which is restoring smiles, restoring their teeth, helping them get them out of pain, and giving them back that confidence. So I decided to stay in San Antonio for that reason, and bring to the San Antonian the capacity of having another opportunity with dental implants. The most rewarding in changing someone's smiles is how it's going to impact their lives. A lot of people come in and they're depressed. A lot of people come in and they're in a lot of pain. Once you get that smile back, you know, that depression goes away. So that to me is priceless. I want this office to be remembered as you come in as a patient, you leave out as a friend. You know, everybody here becomes family. You become part of our family. So my team is the most important because I'm only as strong as my team. So if I have a strong team, the outcomes are going to be phenomenal. So here at the Smile Institute, we change lives a smile at a time.